IBM Rational Software enables my customers to work more efficiently, to develop software more efficiently, to develop systems more efficiently, to deploy those systems more efficiently. We use Rational Software in our manufacturing teams, so it allows them to get systems out the door more quickly. My name is Terry Lundak, and I'm a first-line manager in System Technology Group at IBM. System Technology Group, if you're not aware, is a $21 billion division of IBM. It includes 25,000 developers, programmers, engineers. We're spread across 35 labs in 17 countries, and they're developing everything from mainframes, System I, AIX, blades, storage, chip design. STG includes hardware and software. What does software mean to System Technology Group? Software is basically their pen and pencil. So we've got 25,000 engineers, programmers, developers, and whether they're developing the supercomputer or they're developing the operating system on a blade server, they require innovative software to do their jobs and to allow themselves to be innovative in what they're putting into their solutions. So the better our tools can enable them to do that work and to focus on the bigger picture, I think the more innovative they can be. So we have the largest ClearQuest schema with 23,000 on it. Potential for 2,000 more. We also deploy ClearCase, and a couple years ago, it was 2 years ago, when our executives started to push very hard for agile development and driving efficiencies across software development. And we went from 200 to 2,000 users in Rational Team Concert in 2 weeks. Quite amazing, actually. And we've never had our developers within System Technology Group so pleased with a Rational product. I think the beauty of the Jazz platform and the Jazz solutions that Rational's coming out with are the ability to use the solutions end to end within my enterprise. So everywhere from our external customers submitting requirements to our development teams, to them going about and looking at these requirements and building the operating systems and building these enhancements into our operating systems, to deploying the solutions to the project managers, to our executives reporting, doing the reporting out, and having the same look and feel of these solutions, where the developer doesn't need to know that they were working on a defect in ClearQuest and now looking at their project in Rational Team Concert. They don't have to go sign on again. They don't have to open another tool on their desktop even. I think that's just tremendous. As our engineers, our programmers, maybe are going from one project to another project, they're not revamping. They don't have to ramp up on another tool set to take part in another project. They already know how to use those tools, so they can jump in and be effective day one. The other neat thing is that IBM, we're just constantly acquiring new companies. So as we bring on new companies, and they may be using Bugzilla or something very different than the Rational solutions, we can bridge from Rational to them. We can coexist for a while. It's like a security blanket for them, where they can exist in the new solutions, yet still be able to go back to their old ones if they felt the need to. My favorite features of the Jazz solutions are in the ability to prioritize requirements. So I have one person on the team fighting for System I requirements, and one person on the team fighting for AIX. And really it was prior to us having tools like Focal Point, which can weight our requirements, it was a matter of who kind of yelled the loudest, right? And I think that other businesses and customers that I've talked to face those same challenges in dealing with external customers, right? Want to make sure that we're developing the right requirements and implementing the right requirements, not just those that, where we have them that speak the loudest. As in a company as large as IBM in general, in a division such as System Technology Group, 25,000 developers do not know, this 1,000 developers doesn't necessarily know what this other 1,000 developers are working on. The more collaboration we can see across the division, the less inefficiencies. for me, to be able to deploy a solution where the developers say, yes, this is great, that's probably the most exciting part of my job, is seeing how happy they are with the solutions.